Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this bright neon freehand nail design. So the polishes that I'm using are Sinful Colors Snowy White, a neon yellow by China Glaze called Celtic Sun, orange, a real pretty orange by China Glaze called Flip Flop Fantasy, and this neon pink by Orly called Electropop. I hope I said it right, Electropop. Now I painted my nails with the white base coat so that the colors pop. And I'm going to paint the middle of my nails with the neon yellow. And then I'm going to add on the tip of my nails the orange. I wanted to do this, it's summertime. I wanted to do something bright, colorful, really quick, simple, and easy to do. I hope I made this video easy for you guys to recreate if you want. Now, between me doing the designs, I let the polish dry a little bit so that when you apply the polish, it doesn't mess up. As you can see, the final color I used was the neon pink. Once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. This is a really easy design that you can do with any color combos that you want. Hope I made it easy for you guys to recreate if you want. Here's a finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.